Tamil IAS. As usual, we planned to conduct the classes through YouTube channel. So in our first class, we plan to discuss about economics because hardly 15 to 17 questions asked from economics part in the UPSC Civil Services examination. So first of all, I wish to share one thing. A lot of us have doubt what are all the books required to learn the basics for economics. These are all the two books to learn the basics of economics. The first one is Indian Economic Development. This is the class 11th NCERT. The second one is Introductory at Macroeconomics. This is the class 12th NCERT. Okay, these are all the two books is more than sufficient to understand the basic. So we move to the class. The first class is in economy, sectors of the economy. Sectors of economy. In the sectors of economy classified into three sectors. What are the three sectors? The first one is primary sector. The second one is secondary sector. The final one, third one is tertiary sector. We have in doubt how they classified primary, secondary and tertiary sector. This is the common most doubt for all among the aspirants who are all beginners to the civil services examination, because this is an important one, because in economic survey a lot of the times they use the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. So we saw what is the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector clearly in this class. Okay, so in primary sector, how they explained what are all the sources we get from nature, that things are called primary sector. So if I want to give an example, please take tomato or potato. Okay, we pick the potato from the plants. So the plants are grown in the soil. Okay, soil is one of the natural product. Okay, so as well as potato as well as called a natural product. So we call the potato, we pick the potato from primary sectors. So as well as for an example, dairy, forestry, agri, mining, all the products, all the works are called primary sector. Okay, what are all the sources we get it from nature, that sources are called primary sector. So we move on to the next sector. What is that? Secondary sector. Okay, in secondary sector is as well as called industrial sector. Okay, why it is called industrial sector we will explain our back, because some of us want to eat potato to potato chips, tomato to tomato pickle. Okay, the industries are used to transform the potato to potato chips, tomato to tomato pickle. These industries are used to transform the primary sector things to secondary sector. So this sector is called industrial sector. I hope all of you have clear understand or clear knowledge about what is primary and what is secondary sector. We keep move on to tertiary sector. What is the tertiary sector? Tertiary sector also called as service sector. Why we called tertiary sector as a service sector? Because in primary sector the farmers, in secondary sector the industrial owners, they are need to transportation to sell their products in their markets. Okay, so they need some transportation, they need some money, they need some money to harvest their crops. They need they need some money to sowing their seeds. So what the service economy, okay, the service sector used to aid the service sectors are aid to make the things in primary and secondary sector, okay. For an example, transports, okay, transportation is an example for service sector, okay. These transports like lorries, small vans are used to sell their things through the market area, okay. The primary sector, for an example, potato chips are required to travel through some transports like lorries and small vans, okay. As well as banking, okay. Banks are give some crop loan to the farmers to sowing their seeds, sowing potatoes and harvest their potatoes, and as well as banks are giving some money to make industries, build industries. So these are all the sectors give the service. They did not make any things like potato or potato chips, but they are aid to produce some things like primary sectors, potatoes, secondary sectors, potato chips, okay. So this sector is called service sector. From this based, our economics are classified the economy to primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. As well as primary sector as called primary sector, secondary sector as called industrial sector, tertiary sector is called service sector, okay. So in economic survey and budget session, we saw a lot of articles about primary, secondary, tertiary sector. For an example, primary sector's growth 20% rise. So these are all the things happen in the news. So this I hope this class will be useful to reading the newspaper and understand the basics. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for all of you. Thank you.